audible? Now tell me. Yes. Okay. Hi, Jia. Hi, Rachit. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Soumya. Hi, Sajal. Hi, Maima. Hello, everyone. I welcome you all once again to another session of e-commerce. A very good afternoon, Sajal. Hi, Kavita. Hi, Aarti. How's you? I'm all good. What about you guys? आप लोग कैसे हैं? What about you? How are you guys? A very good afternoon, Soumya. Hi, Rachit. Hi. Mobbly, ma'am. What does this mean? We are great. Okay, Rajat, you should be. Bindas, Sajal, bindas. Bindas, Soumya. Ma'am bhi bindas. Ekdam badhiya. All good. Okay, Lisa. Ma'am, I have a question. Is adjustment of capital topic included in admission, retirement and death of partner? This is class 12. You are asking for class 12 and no adjustment of capital is deleted this year. It is deleted this year. Okay. Okay, Jia. Hi, Tamanna. How are you? OP. Okay. इसका मतलब बस ठीक हूँ. बस ठीक. Hi, Neha ma'am. I am not Neha ma'am. I am Sheetal Mam, Poonam. Guys, hi everyone. This is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts teacher. Neha ma'am will teach you economics, and I am your accounts teacher. Can you make a video of topics included for class 12? Yes, I have made one video for syllabus completion. You can see that, Aarti. Oh, yes, Poonam. If you will ask, I will make a video for the topics deleted. Hi, Poonam. Okay, Jia. Soon. Next Saturday. Pakka, next Saturday deleted syllabus. Hi, Ishika. So, guys, hi everyone. Once again, I welcome you all to another session of e-commerce. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, अगर अभी तक आपने channel को subscribe नहीं किया है, so go and join it right now. Go and subscribe the channel right now. And also, don't forget to like this video. Those who have not liked this video, go and give it a thumbs up right now. Hi, Kiran. You're welcome, Jia. I am all good, Ishika. Ekdam badhiya. Very good evening, Ishika. Yes, there are 12 viewers and we also want 12 likes. Come on, go and make it 12. Fatafat. Safi, okay, great. You can take advice from me if you want any advice. And at 6 p.m., we have a wonderful video for you. How much does a CA make? At 6 p.m. today, we have a wonderful video for all of you. How much does a CA make? So do join that video at 6 p.m. And that is going to be a very interesting session. Very interesting session. Yes. Sahil, I will become Harshad Mehta. Okay. In terms of money, I also want to be Harshad Mehta, but not in terms of that irregularities. I have liked and shared the video. Great, Sachit, great. Okay, Jia. So, guys, now those who are new to this session, let me tell you that we have an official Telegram group on which we share all the notes, all the PDFs. So, all the teachers, economics, accounts, business study, maths will share the notes on the Telegram group. So, if you have not joined this group, so go and join it right now. I want to be the bull of the market. I want to be the big bull of the market. How you make consistency in what? Consistency in what, Safi? Hi, Irfan. I have accounts practical exam on Monday. How it will be conducted in this corona time? Are your school open? Does opening a brokerage firm requires capital? Yes. Some nominal capital, some minimum capital is required because you will set up office, you will print out your visiting cards. So some capital is required. Online, okay. So guys, now if you want to score good marks, then you can take the advantage of Vedantu Commerce Pro Subscription. Yes. So, no corona in my country. From which country you are, Tamanna? क्या आप शादी से आए हो? Yes, I came from a function. But what happened? This. I will go tomorrow to a marriage. So, you can take the advantage of Pro Subscription. In Pro Subscription, we are providing you a lot of benefits, and the first benefit is 5,000 hours of online teaching. Hi Shivani, hi Amanpreet. So we are giving you more than 5,000 hours of online teaching. There will be your regular test series. We will provide you assignment and we will also do a continuous review of your areas of improvement. We will tell you that in which area you are weak and where do you need improvement. For that, there will be 20 teachers like me. मेरे जैसे 20 teachers और होंगे. So it will help you more. And you also have the option to learn in English and Hindi. If you want to learn in English, then you can go for English. Or if you want to learn in Hindi, then you can go for Hindi. And the most important thing, as per your demand, we have different type of courses, micro courses and crash courses. Okay, Tamanna. Thank you, Kavita. Thank you so much. Your schools are open. Okay. क्या पढ़ाने वाली है आप? Some special transactions. We will do some special transactions. Grow more, brokerage firm. Yes, grow more. So, if you want to take this subscription and you want to enjoy all these benefits, then it is the right time to get the subscription because right now you only have to pay 2799. अभी आपको सिर्फ देने पड़ेंगे 2799 instead of 3499. Hi Jagdish. So go and grab this opportunity right now at flat 20% off by using my code SCPRO. Go and use my code and become a pro in commerce by getting flat 20% discount. Hi Manveer, how are you? Today we have quiz, guys. Yes, we have quiz at the end of the session. So you have to stay tuned till the end of the session. Jia from Monday. Hi Anshika. Yes, we will have a close-up soon. Now, as you all know, this is class 11th accountancy session. This is class 11th accountancy session. And the chapter is journal. This is the last session of journal. This is the last session of journal, and from Monday we will start a new chapter. From Monday we will start a new chapter, depreciation. Okay, Jia. So, now this is special transaction part 2. This is season 2 of special transaction, like season 2 of Mirzapur, season 2 of Ashram. So this is the season 2 of your special transactions. So now we will learn some special transactions in this class, and based on that I will ask a quiz from you at the end of the session. So do listen to me carefully. सब एकदम ध्यान से सुनेंगे. So let's see what special transactions we have today. The first special transaction is, yes, Mirzapur, but we don't have Mirzapur the first. The first transaction is accrued income. Accrued income. What do you mean by this accrued income? What does it actually means? Accrued income. क्या मतलब होता है इस accrued income का? So, the income which is earned but not received. वो इनकम जो आपने कमा तो ली है, which is earned but not received. We have earned that income. हमने वो कमा ली लेकिन वो receive नहीं हुई. Yes, which is earned but not received. And it is receivable. It is receivable. You will receive it in the future. आप उसको आने वाले टाइम में receive करोगे. It is receivable. And anything which is receivable is an asset. Anything which is receivable is an asset. So accrued income is an asset because it is the income which is earned but not received. वो income जो हमने कमा तो ली है, we have provided the services, we have done the work, but we have not received our income. So that is known as accrued income, and it is an asset. So what will be the journal entry? The journal entry will be accrued income account debit because it is an asset, so accrued income debit, and it is the income of current year which is not received. वो current year की income है जो आपको नहीं मिली. So incomes are credited. All income and gains are credited. Yes, Lisa, well done. So the journal entry for accrued income will be accrued income account debit to income account. Accrued income account debit to income account. Now coming on to the second special transaction. The second special transaction is income received in advance. Now you are receiving the income in advance. आपको advance में ही income मिल गई. So for example, income for, hi Himani, you are very late. Income for January is received in December. Yes, income received but not earned. Well done, Lisa. Prepaid income. Yes, Ishika. So, income received in advance. Or you can call it prepaid income, which is received but not earned. So any income which is received in advance is a liability. It is a liability. Any income which is received in advance is a liability, and the journal entry will be to income received in advance credit. You will credit the income received in advance because it is liability. Because it is liability. And it is not the income of current year. It is not the income of current year. You are receiving the income of next year. So, you will debit income. Decrease in income, debit. So, the entry for accrued income is accrued income to income, and the entry for income received in advance is income to income received in advance. Income to income received in advance. These are the first two special transactions. Now, coming on to the third special transaction, which is very important. Interest on capital. The third transaction is interest on capital. What is interest on capital? Interest on capital is an expense for the business. Because business, hi Vatsal, business will pay interest to the owner on capital. Business will pay interest to the owner on the capital. So for business, it is expense. For business, it is expense. It will be debited. And for owner, it is income and it will be added to the capital. I am all good, Vatsal. So, interest on capital is paid by business firm to the owner. For business, it is an expense and therefore you will debit it. The journal entry will be interest on capital account debit to capital account. Okay, Himani. So the journal entry will be interest on capital account debit to capital account. Interest on capital debit because it is an expense. Capital credit because owner is receiving it and the capital of owner will increase. ओनर की कैपिटल क्या होगी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी तो टू कैपिटल हाय मधुमिता So the entry for interest on capital is interest on capital account debit to capital account. All good, Himani? And the next journal entry is interest on drawing. Interest on drawing. Now, owner will pay to the business. Owner will pay to the business interest on drawing. Owner will pay. So for business, it is income. For business, it is income. The entry will be to interest on capital because all income and gains are credited. So interest on drawing is an income for the business. Therefore, it is credited. And you will debit drawings. So the entry for interest on drawing is drawings account debit to interest on drawing. Yes, Sahil. Yes, Imani. This is the journal entry for interest on drawing. Drawings account debit to interest on drawing. Is this clear? Tell me everyone, is this clear to you? The all four entries. Accrued income, income received in advance, interest on capital, interest on drawing. Yes, Sahil, Lisa, clear. Manveer, crystal clear. Yo, what's up? Soumya, yes, ma'am. What about others? बाकियों का क्या जवाब है बच्चों? Yes, Imani. It's my cousin's marriage. So now I hope that it is clear to everyone. Now moving on to the next part. Next journal entry that we have is income tax. The most of the students get confused in this income tax. Most of the students get confused in the income tax. Income tax paid by the owner is a personal expenditure. It is not the expense of the business. It is the expense of the owner. Yes, Arpita, please ask it again. Thank you, Vatsal. Thank you so much on her behalf. So, the entry for income tax will be drawings account debit because it is a personal expenditure. Because owner is paying on his income. It is not paid on the business income. It is paid on the owner's personal income. Bye, Sahil. Best of luck. So, income tax is paid on the income of the owner, personal income of the owner. Therefore, it is a personal expenditure of the owner and it is known as drawing. So, when the owner is paying income tax, the journal entry will be drawings account debit to cash or bank account. Hi Ayush. Withdrawal from bank. The journal entry will be cash account debit to bank account. This will be the journal entry, Arpita. Cash account debit to bank account. You are withdrawing from bank. Cash will increase in the business and your bank will decrease. So it will be credited. So always remember that income tax is a personal expenditure of the owner and therefore drawings will be debited. We will not debit income tax. We will debit drawings account. Now coming on to the next part, opening journal entry. Now coming on to the opening journal entry. What is opening journal entry? Let us understand what is opening journal entry. Then I will tell you the entry. First, let us understand the meaning and then we will do the journal entry. According to going concern principle means the business will continue for a long period of time. जो आपका business है वो एक लंबे time तक के लिए चलेगा. And according to going concern principle, the business has a long life, means for the number of financial year. According to this, the business has a long life. Every accountant finalizes the account of the business at the end of each year. At the end of each year, you will close the account. हम हर साल के end पर क्या करेंगे? We will close and finalize the books of account. You will close all the account. You will balance all the account. And these financial statements carry all the closing balances of all the accounts. In these accounts, you will find out the closing balances at the end of the year. You will close all the ledger account. You will close all the ledger account and you will balance them. And you will balance them. And in the next year, accountant has to transfer this closing balance by posting a journal entry. The closing balance of this year will become the opening balances of the next year. जो भी इस साल के एंड में बचा है, क्या आप उसको फेंक दोगे? You will throw it out? No. You will continue that in the next year. You will use that in the next year. So the closing balances of the current year will become the opening balances of the next year. And for that, to transfer the balances, we have to pass one journal entry that is known as opening journal entry. क्या कहते हैं उसे? Opening journal entry. So at the beginning of the year, at the beginning of every year, we have to pass opening journal entries. We have to pass opening journal entries. And opening journal entries are passed at the beginning of every year. At the beginning of every year, you will pass the opening journal entry. Okay? Hi Raj. Are you chanting with song? You know na? Yes, I know. Ishika, in midterm account, in midterm test, BRS will definitely come. Depreciation will definitely come. One question of accounting equation will definitely come. If financial statement is completed in your school, then it will definitely come. Fourth chapter, financial statement, depreciation, BRS, and accounting equation. These are the main chapters that you have to focus on for your midterm exam. So, now how we will pass the journal entry? How we will pass the opening journal entry? In the question, the opening balances will be given to you. आपको क्या given होंगे? Question में at the beginning of the year, the balances will be given to you. The balances, the opening balances will be given to you. And you have to pass the journal entry with the help of those balances. You have to pass the journal entry with the help of those opening balances. So what are the rules? The rule is very simple. The rule is very simple. Himani, we will start depreciation from Monday. No, BRS is not deleted from syllabus. A part of BRS is deleted. Ayush, not the full chapter. So, the rules are debit all the last financial year closing balance of asset. You will debit all the assets. Debit all the assets and credit all the liability and capital. These are the rules for opening journal entry. We will debit all the assets and we will credit all the liability and capital. Arpita, we have already covered it in the previous session. Please watch the previous session, Arpita. So, in the third or fourth session of journal, we have covered trading discount and trade discount and cash discount. So, do watch that session and it will be clear to you. So, the rules for opening journal entry is debit all the assets and credit liability and capital. Credit liability and capital. Now, let's understand these rules with the help of an example. Now, we will do one question of this. Now we will do one question of the opening journal entry. So these are the closing balances. You have to post it to the next financial year. You have to transfer these balances to the next financial year, and for that you have to pass opening journal entry. We have to pass opening journal entry. So how we will pass the opening journal entry? These are the closing balance of asset. So all the assets will be debited. All the assets will be debited. We will debit all the asset, and capital, credit, bank loan, liability, credit, creditors, liability, credit. So simple. You will debit furniture and fixture, plant and machinery, copyright, cash and bank. All the assets will be debited and capital and liability will be credited. So this is your opening journal entry. This is your opening journal entry. Hi Vaishnavi, a very good evening. All the assets are debited and capital and liability is credited. This is your opening journal entry. Now everyone tell me, is this clear to you? Yes or no? Is this clear? Yes, Manvi, Lisa, crystal clear. Yes, Prabjot. Yes, Imani. Yes, Ayush, Soumya, clear. So now that's it for today's session. आज के लिए इतना ही बच्चों. Hooray, your journal chapter is finished. We have completed one more chapter, another chapter, journal. And from Monday, we will start the most requested chapter, depreciation. Now coming on to the most important thing. Now coming on to the most important thing. Yes, these are small topics, Imani. So, let's see who will answer the question first and what will be the what is the question. So, ask 3 questions. Today we have 3 questions. And the question is on your screen. Identify the correct journal entry. Interest due but not received. Interest due but not received. What will be the correct journal entry? So congratulations, on the top we have Shivani. Congratulations Shivani, you are on the top of the list. Well done. Congratulations Lisa, you have answered it second. Well done Lisa, great. Congratulations Imani, you are on 3rd position. Well done Imani. Congratulations Mahima, Manveer, Satvik, Soumya, Ayush. Harsh, well done guys, congratulations to everyone. And yes, the answer is C, accrued interest to interest. Interest due but not received is accrued interest, And the journal entry will be accrued interest account debit to interest account. Next question. The wages of staff is pending for the payment due to lockdown in the country. The wages are called as prepaid expense, outstanding expense, debtors or creditors. So, congratulations, Shivani. Again, you are on the top of the list. Well done. Great. Superb. Congratulations, Satvik. You are on the second position. Well done, Satvik. Congratulations, Mahima. You are on the third position. Well done, Mahima. Congratulations, Lisa, Prabjot, Himani, Richa, Soumya, Manveer, Ayush, Harsh, Arpita. Well done, guys. Well done. The wages that is pending for the payment is known as outstanding expense. It will be known as outstanding expense. Yesterday I asked you about prepaid expense and today I asked you about outstanding expense. They are different. नहीं ऑप्शंस देखने के बाद बोला था हिमानी. Next question. Closing balance of last year will become the opening balance due to which concept? Closing balance will become the opening balance due to which concept? So congratulations, Himani. This time you are on the top of the list. Well done, Himani. Congratulations. Maima, congratulations. You are on the second list, second position. Congratulations, Maima. Lisa, congratulations. You are third. Well done. Let me check it. No, Shivani, you are not second. I got your comment after 6 to 7 students. Congratulations, Prabjot, Satvik, Manveer, Shivani, Richa, Soumya, Harsh, Ayush, Arpita. Very well done, guys. Very well done. Congratulations to everyone. The answer is going concern concept. Closing balance of last year will become the opening balance due to going concern concept. So that's it for quiz also. That's it for quiz also. I cannot play song, I can only sing a song. So guys, if you like this session, then please give it a thumbs up. Do like this video and also subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed this channel. And do like and share this video. And if you have not joined the Telegram group yet, so go and join it right now for all the updates, for all the updates and for all the study material. And if you want to score good marks, then you can take the advantage of Vedantu Pro Subscription. Go and get this Vedantu Pro Subscription right now at flat 20% off. So go and take it right now by using my code SCPRO and enjoy all these benefits. Bye, ma'am. Good night, Soumya. Good night. Okay, Sumit. I am also busy in marriage, but still I am taking the classes now. Okay, so I am singing the song. कल बारात है, same here, बारात will come. कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मालूम मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए. कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी ना किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए. थैंक यू. दैट वाज मतलब इतना अच्छा नहीं था ये वाला. कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कैसे मैं बताऊं मुझे क्या पता. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच. ओके, वन मोर फनी सॉन्ग, मिसिंग सुशांत. बंगले के पीछे है ताला, घुसू कहाँ से मिसाला, लैला की खिड़की खुली है, खिड़की के पीछे है नाला, खिड़की पे कोई खड़ा है, लैला का टाका फिरा है, मजे उड़ाती है मेरी मोहब्बत की पूछ मार के. ओ मेरी जान मेरे को मजनू बना के, कहाँ चल दी प्यार की पुंगी बजा के. हाय भास्कर, थैंक यू सो मच आयुष. इतनी भी डिजर्विंग नहीं हूं मैं. हिमानी, मुझे जो गाने आते हैं मैं वही तो गा सकती हूँ ना. इफ यू विल टेल मी द नेम आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू सिंग दैट बिकॉज मुझे लिरिक्स नहीं आते होंगे. So guys, that's it for today's session.